Flavor seekers and soup lovers, it's your boy Marwin, and it's time to get cozy with some sweet, silky, soul-soothing goodness. We're talking about roasted butternut squash soup, kissed with some creamy coconut milk, ripe plantains, bringing that island sweetness, and juicy pears, adding a little unexpected charm. Go on, say yeah to comfort in a bowl. In that pot, saute those onions until they're translucent like sweet jazz. Add a little seasoning as you go to intensify the flavor. We're going to add our garlic and a whole chili pepper, letting that aroma tell your neighbors it's about to go down before adding the squash, veggie stock, and more seasonings, plus some fresh thyme. Now, you got the makings of a great soup, a great dish. Let's finish. Now, those plantains, we want them ripe, dark spotted, sweet, and ready to melt into the mix. And pears, oh baby. They bring that subtle floral note that ties it all together. We ain't just cooking, we're composing. Let it simmer covered until the squash is fork tender. But don't forget about that pepper in the stew. You don't want to let it stew too long or else it'll break down, leaving things real hot for real and not in a good way. Using an immersion blender or a regular one, you want to puree everything up until silky smooth. Now it's time for that cream. Pour in the creamy coconut milk to that smooth mix, give it a stir, and let things simmer slow and steady for about 5 to 7 minutes to let those flavors come together, and you're good to go. What you get is a velvety tropical symphony, creamy coconut harmony, roasted squash richness, sweet plantain melody, and a pear high note floating above it all. Taste it, adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a little bit of lime to brighten things up. That's soul in liquid form right there. Thick, smooth, and just the right amount of sweet heat. Serve it up with a little crusty bread if that's your thing. Maybe sprinkle toasted coconut. For me, I like to slice up some green onions with some peppers and put them on top. But hey, whatever floats your boat. This ain't your average butternut squash soup. This is flavored with feeling, a sweet, salty, soulful celebration of fall, warmth, and just good vibes. I'm your local flavor conductor, reminding you every pot's a playlist. So make it funky, make it flavorful, and make it yours. Peace, love, and flavor, y'all. And on your way out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace.